I created this website, this one right in front of you in 15 minutes, and it cost me 20 bucks. Now, basically, people do not have an excuse anymore to not have a website. If you would like to know how I have done this, keep watching to the end of this video and I'll show you how. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to create a website in minutes using this AI website builder called 10Web. Now, you as a business owner, you do not have an excuse anymore to not have a website. Because you could say before that, oh, I need to hire an agency. Oh, I need to find someone that's really good at it. Oh, it's expensive. Now, you can literally get a website in minutes using the power of AI. You're not just getting a website, you're getting a WordPress website. WordPress websites represent 40% of all websites of the whole world. And this is great because anything that you would like to integrate with WordPress, probably there's a plugin for that.
What's the price? Prices going up. Woo!
This is going to cost you $20 per month. So for 20 bucks a month, you can have your own website without hiring an agency, without hiring a freelancer, without having to worry about costs. 20 bucks a month. Imagine if you could pay someone $20 a month for them to build a website for you. This is insane. So I will take advantage of this right now, and I'm gonna show you how you can build your own website using AI in less than 10 minutes. First thing, you need to go to 10Web website. This is where you're going to see AI website builder, get a jump start on website creation, build or recreate any website in minutes with the power of AI. Generate your website. This is where you're going to click. And then you're going to click on create a new website with AI. And I'm going to jump to my account now because this is basically the same thing. So I'm going to click on generate with AI. And here I'm going to put my site title. And actually, let's start the counter right now. So let's see in how many minutes I can build this website. Starting now. So there we go, it's ready. So let's preview and add it. Let's see what they have done for us. And of course, this is a starting point. Just to have a starting point to build a website, that's already huge. And there we go. So you see, everything here is customizable. This is a section where you can add clients or you can specify media that you have been featured in. So these are a lot of things that you can do. In Elementor, what you see here is so easy to use. All you have to do is to click on it. On your left side, you're going to see the side panel, and whatever you type here, it's going to show up here. So this one, Jessica Seaman, I'm going to change it to John Doe. Of course, I can remove the sections if I don't need. I can add a picture here. I can put buttons for a menu, like for example this one, and you can easily just copy and paste. So if I wanted to make this using the whole line, I can centralize this and change this to one more. So this is a thing that I can do, and then specify the link. So for someone that did not have a website, to start with this, it's a very good advantage. It's easy enough for you to start with, and now you just have to customize it. You're going to add a few texts, change a few pictures, you're going to update a few headlines, add information, remove some sections, add new sections. You can remove pictures that you don't need. You can add new pictures, add new videos. So these are all things that you can do. So for you business owner that do not have a website, you do not have an excuse anymore. anymore. 10 Web is the application that you can use. A website ready in less than 15 minutes, or you can go ahead and look for an agency, a freelancer, having to worry about how much it's going to cost and how good the delivery is going to be. If you're starting with a low budget, this tool can definitely help you have a website in minutes for only $20 a month. And maybe you're not the one that's going to make all these edits, but you can ask your cousin, you can ask like someone like your friend. Everything here is easy to use. And like I said, you're using WordPress. If you click on Access WordPress Dashboard, you actually can open as a WordPress website. You can use 10 Web AI, but if you're familiar with WordPress, this is way better. My website also runs on WordPress with Elementor, so I'm very familiar with it. And this is my favorite one because there's so many integrations that you can do. The key point of this video is to show business owners who do not have a website, now there's a low-cost solutions for their problems. If people are not able to find you on Google, if you have to send attachments or emails every time someone asks you about your business, this is definitely a solution for you because let's be honest, your website now is your storefront more than ever. And the tips that I share here are to help. If you were able to follow all the steps in this video and you were able to create your own website, I want you to come back to this video, leave a comment, and I'll help you with your website for free. This is a limited offer. If you're watching until the end, this offer is for you. What I want you to do is to take advantage of this and build your own website in the lowest cost possible. There's a link in the description of this video to help you with this. And if you have other questions about WordPress, I have a blog that's going to definitely help you, and it's also in the description of this video. It's lksolutions.org. There you can find like a whole library of blog articles that talk about WordPress, and I'm sure this will be extremely helpful for you. So if you're watching until the end, and if you like content like this, please like this video, share this with your friends. See you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.